Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Notion page public. First, open the Notion page you wish to share, either in your desktop application or through a web browser. Look for the Share button, which is typically located in the top right corner of your page interface. This is your starting point for making your content accessible to others. Once you've found the Share button, click on it to reveal the sharing options. Within this menu, you'll see a toggle labeled Share to Web. Simply click this toggle to turn it on. This action immediately makes your Notion page publicly accessible on the internet, generating a unique link for it. After enabling web sharing, you'll see additional options appear. You can decide if others can edit your page, leave comments, or duplicate it as a template. Adjust these settings according to your needs. Below these options, you'll find the unique public link for your page. Copy this link to your clipboard. With the link copied, you can now share it with anyone you want to view your Notion page. Send it via email, messaging apps, or embed it on a website. If you ever need to revoke public access, simply return to the Share menu and toggle the Share to Web option off. Your page will instantly become private again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.